We're heading downriver, watching for rocks. Never been here, so I don't know what it's. You don't want to hit the rock like that. Alright, we're up in Gull Bay on Lake Nipigon, and we got a couple of old, really old fish boats here. Seen better days, but pretty cool nonetheless. This one's definitely an old tug hull. So this old red one has an old gator, small alligator cabin on it, obviously off of Russell Brothers. That's kind of interesting. I wonder if that's a Russell hull. Made it down to the lake. There's some muddy sections coming in here, and I have no idea how they got these trailers in here. Would have been a fun struggle. It's a shallow lake and had to back out pretty far, but we got her launched. Got Matt in the boat already, and we're heading down that way, looking for some ruins and remains. Logging camp used to be located in the bush here somewhere, or right near the mouth of the river. Looks like a little open landing here. Maybe that's where it was. We'll go take a look. Beautiful, calm day. Now I'll go check out the site here, see what's going on. I don't know the dates on this or anything, but looks like a lot of little junk here anyways. Well, there's a boat there, Matt. Looks like someone's used this as a campsite. It's an old wood boat. Oh no, it's this is a steel wood design. Wow, that's weird. That's really old. It's all split at the stern here. Yeah, sheeted over. That's like a 30-foot pointer, right? Wow. Yeah, yellow boats, eh? Those are some really old boats. Now we got the second old boat over here. Oh, we got a winch in there still. Old winch drum, wood deck on the bow, yellow sheathing over wood. And they got the gator cage, no prop, rudders on. Maybe this is remnants of the old cabin, looks like. Yeah, there's a bar along the ground there. Rail grab. Yeah. And the old winch. Looks like it could be an old Russell winch, but who knows. No identifying marks on it. So this, there's an engine block in here. And it looks pretty simple. It looks like it's got side doors like the old Russell engines had. So, I don't know. That looks like the old steering stem or something. Oh, we can look in the stern here. But she's a wood boat with tin sheathing on it, shaped exactly like a gator. Even got the cages on it. Pretty cool. Looks like their old garbage dump here. Or somebody's garbage dump. Oh, an old stone fireplace here, so there used to be a building here. That's pretty cool. An old cast iron door, ornamental work. Right in the fireplace. The ornaments on the old door. That's pretty cool. Alright, we had a look around. I think that's it for what used to be here. Main building there, I guess, with the fireplace. And the two tin sheathed wooden gators down here. Look like, is that sheathing off a boat? Looks like it. Yeah, that's sheathing off a roof of a boat. See the grab bars? I've got one boat there, one boat here. And the building was up there. And they just tossed the garbage straight out the back of the building, right here. Wet and Wild 7-Up. That's an oldie. More garbage, old Labatt's can, old bottles. You see that boat better. Some old can here with Canada Geese on it. Something grew. The label's kind of worn off on it. Brewed. It's got to be a beer. Mason's beer. Creamy smooth. I bet. It's real creamy smooth now. All we could find at this site. We've got a couple more possible sites to check out. We got to go down that river into another lake. Beautiful day. It's about 30 Celsius out and I'm sweating like crazy. Now we're heading down river. Watching for rocks. Never been here, so I don't know what it's. You don't want to hit the rock like that. We're keeping an eye out for any ruins. Yeah, I think that's all right. Yeah, strange looking gravel pile here, obviously man-made. Matt's up exploring, seeing what's going on up there. If there's anything significant. Something to do with the logging days, maybe? Alright, Matt says that's just that's a man-made ramp down to the lake. They probably drove down here and dumped the logs on the ice during the winter. And then in the spring when it melted, they drove them out to Lake Nipigon. So there's a bunch of timbers nailed together and that's just a big ramp up to a road. We're gonna go check over here. It looked like there was some kind of structure across the swampy area. That was definitely an old bridge at one time. You can see the cross pieces on there. Not much of a road anymore though. Matt's going to check out, it looks like an old tank over there. I'll go check it out too. That's a big fuel tank.
Another one there.
There's some kind of something going on here. There's a trail here, and I'm not sure what the heck this thing is. You ever seen anything like this? Is that part of a motor? Some weird pipes. Looks like a pump. This bottom part looks like a bilge pump. Some big ass tube. What does that say? 2 tank. Oh, there's a switch here. 2 car. 2 tank, 2 car. There's a little switch there. Okay, so we're thinking this is a fuel station for the boats that were operating on the lake. You got 2 huge tanks here. You got what looks to be a pump that would go on the tanks, and this might have been a dock, and they'd come in here and get fueled up. And the road coming here is how they got the fuel here. There doesn't seem to be anything else around. Matt and his chain. See the 2 ends there? You can see the logs in the water, a whole bunch of them. There's some kind of booming ground here, for sure. And we just noticed way over there, if I can zoom in, not very good, there is a moose in the water over there. I don't know if we can get close enough to him or not. Bull head toward shore. There he goes. Very cool. I never expect to see one in the middle of the afternoon when it's 30 Celsius out. Alright, back at the landing, we didn't really find anything else. Got the CEO and the OPP here checking people out. So we're gonna head her out now and on to the next adventure.